At times, what appears to be an insurmountable problem can often be resolved with ease. Meet Snorles, your anti-snoring training device. Snorles is a device designed to address a major issue present in nearly 45% of our households: snoring. Snoring happens when the airflow through the mouth is partially blocked during sleep, causing vibrations in the throat tissues, generating that familiar and annoying noise we all recognize. Snorles provides 10 adjustable intensity levels for muscle training, helping you maintain muscle tone and ensuring a peaceful night's sleep for both you and your partner. Featuring 3 different electromagnetic pulsing modes, Snorles adapts to your sleeping style by gently stimulating soft tissues. It fits with ease into your lifestyle because it doesn't demand your time, doesn't require you to be in a specific location for its use, improves sleeping comfort by effectively addressing one of the most common noise-related issues. And unlike what you might expect, you won't have to wait longer than 8 weeks to begin appreciating its results. Until it's needed one more time to regain peace in your own bed. And perhaps in the beds of many others. Snore less, sleep more. Snore less.